Hello, it's Paul from Paint Medic. Today I'm repairing a Mercedes Benz A Class which has a vandal scratch running down the side of it. As you can see, deep scratch running from the rear quarter into the rear door, all the way along the rear door into the front door. And you can catch it now right in it. So it's very deep. All will have to be sanded right back, and all this will have to be resprayed. Vehicle is in for a couple of days. Right, so here we are. I've just prepped the car now. So rear light's been taken out, and the car now has a very matte finish. This funny thing here is where it's been previously repaired, and that's where the blend was. So now I've matted it all back. You can see that. So the scratch is all there, as you can see. It's got a very matte finish now, and that's caused by me. I've got to key the whole panels up to make sure the new fresh paint sticks to it, and it's all been degreased. Handles taken out as well to make sure we don't get any paint hid around that sort of area. So now it's a case of getting the car wrapped up so we don't fill it with dust, and we start sanding out the scratches. Okay, so I've done the initial sanding of the scratches in the front door. Being a Mercedes, the paint is extremely thick and extremely tough, and it takes a long time to get through it. But yeah, see the scratches, I've had to go right down to the metal to get the scratches out. Really, really deep vandal scratch. So that's the first stage of it. Now onto the back door. And then once we've got all that out, a bit more prep, ready for priming. So here we are, our front door is now sanded back, and back door is sanded back into the rear quarter, which wasn't quite so bad, not quite so deep in there, but still going to need paint. So all this now ready for masking up and apply the primer. So panels are all primed now. Unfortunately, you can't just paint straight over the primer. All this has got to be taken back, sanded back, wet sanded back, just to make sure it's all completely dead smooth. Check there's no undulations in it or anything like that before we then clean it all up again, degrease it all, mask it all up properly, ready for the paint. There we are, car's all masked up now. This is the primer where it's all dull. The scratch is all gone. Now we just need to get the paint on. So here we are, finished article. Scratch is all gone, car's all been polished back up, no evidence of the scratch whatsoever.